Hello, in this video I'm going to show you a few camera tips and tricks for your TCL 408. So first let's start from the automatic photo mode. You can find the volume buttons on the right side and you can use them. So take a look, when you click volume up or volume down, you can take photos. When you click and hold one of these buttons, you are going to take series of the photos. It works the same for the volume up and the volume down buttons. Let me just turn off the auto rotate screen because it's annoying sometimes. Okay, let's move to the video. When you click on the screen, you can also adjust brightness level of your camera preview by moving this icon up and down. You can also do this automatically by tapping on the screen, just like that. When you click and hold on this zoom preset, you will unlock this slider and you can simply zoom in and zoom out very smooth. It works the same also for other modes, like for example the video mode. If you want to add some filters, you can just tap right here, and as you can see, they will change the color and the temperature on our photos. When you swipe up like that, you will open other modes. For example, we can add timer between 2, 5 or 8 seconds. Let's turn it off right now. We can also enable touch shot, so we can just click on the screen and the photo will be taken without tapping on the shutter. We can also enable the camera leveler. As you can see, it will show on the screen right now. Yeah, for some reason it's not even working. That's interesting actually. You can tell me in the comments if this function works in your case. We can also enable the grid lines, and as you can see, the grid lines works. They appear on the screen and they help us to take some better composition on the photos. When you open the settings, we can find other useful options, like for example we can enable the quick snap. So when you double press volume down button when the screen is turned off, we are going to take photo. So let me show you how it works. Let's lock the screen twice on the volume down button. Okay, looks like it's not working, so let's try to open this camera one more time and just take a look if this function is really enabled. Yeah, it is, but for some reason it's not working. But let's reset the settings. Let's enable function and then turn off this camera application. Okay, right now the phone vibrates and it looks like it takes photo. Let me just open this camera right now. Yeah, as you can see, the photo was taken. So yeah, the function is working. So if you have any problem with this function, just simply perform the soft reset of the camera settings. There is also another function with the gesture. So when you turn it on, and we can simply try to take photo or video by showing the palm of our hand. But looks like it's not detected right now. Maybe we can try to do this on the rear camera. Yeah, not working, so let's try for the video mode. For the selfie video. Unfortunately, this function is not working, so also tell me in the comments if you can use it on your TCL. So yeah, for me, that's all for this video. That's all tips and tricks that I can show you for the TCL 408. Hope you like it.